My neighbors, how's it going? I am really excited. We just barely got it to the state that you see here, where it's just missing the sheet metal siding. I did get the sheet metal roof. That was something I really wanted to make sure was taken care of. But without further ado, let's dive right into the build. All right, and we are back. Day 373 of the solar shed build. Yesterday I didn't know we had the camera in the car, so it was a pleasant surprise to find it last night. We have majority of the oh no, don't look at the tape. It's coming off. It's not even the right tape, but it's tape, so it counts. Got the sides on as well as the front, which will go up there now. So OSB sheathing up in the front, except for above the door. I didn't finish above the door. Required too much measuring and cutting, but should be all finished up today. Including off-grid security cameras and Starlink installed, so it's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Well, enjoy the day. Alright guys, I'm going to show you probably this first because I have to explain. This is all just temporarily being put in place. There's actually a cement board that goes in to serve as a fire block. I'm also putting drywall behind that cement board just to make sure nothing's going to get hot enough or affect the lumber behind the wall. All this stuff is just being hooked up temporarily. There's a lot of grommets and crap. I also have my positive and negative leads somehow crossed somewhere outside. Probably doesn't help that they don't mark their cables and they're just black, so it just makes it that much more difficult. However, I am getting 110 at the receptacle. Don't know what any of the settings mean just yet. My guess is that it's freaking out that there's no battery, and rightfully so, there is no battery. So go ahead and show you the solar panels that I got set up outside. And it's just 4 solar panels. And that's it. The unit itself only takes 84 volts or something like that to start up. And as soon as it gets 84 volts, it fires right up. And currently I'm supplying 165 or some crap like that. Test it, I don't know what it was. What the panels were rated for or whatever. I just knew that 4 was going to be more than enough to run what we were going to run today. So I'm going to dive into it. These are designed to run, as you can see, I already have power at the receptacle. These are designed to run off just solar alone, which kind of makes it nice. As long as they are connected into the PV inputs down below. So long as those are connected there, it'll run direct from solar, which is really excellent. That is it, and it's working great. It's relatively quiet. I was a little concerned, but it actually runs really, really quiet. I'll stick you up right next to the air intake. Yeah, it's really quiet. That's the reason why I actually have it in the solar shed, is like there's going to be just a lot of equipment that's running out here. And I would rather not deal with the vibrations and the hums of it being in my home, which sounds ridiculous, but it's the way I want it. Also, for safety precautions, if my batteries ever for some reason get exploded by lightning, it's in a place that's away from the home, away from the family, and it keeps it nice, compartmentalized, and safe in that regard. So now to do some tests. Back at it.